What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we are back with another Volted update. I have to start this one off by saying shout out to Pablo, shout out to Ozzy, and shout out to Power, man. Y'all crushed that NASDAQ interview. It's good to have, proper representation of the Volt Army, people who are, truly committed and, believe in vechain on a long-term scale, out there on the front line. So salute to those guys, man. We got our 90-second exchange listing. It's looking like vechain is on track to be listed on 100 exchanges by the end of the year. So, connect the dots, man. It's becoming more widely accepted, and that's just bullish for vechain because now that allows more holders to be able to access vechain no matter where you are in the world. So we got Vatoshi saying just a bit more than 24 hours left for the tax-free event. So if you're interested in grabbing some vechain tax-free, you got a little less than a day to do so. So think about that. I just retweeted this quote saying while the market is fearful, it's time to be greedy. So y'all know what time it is, man. Also, this was dope. I just checked this out. Shout out to Mr. Organic. He was out there. I think
they're gonna vote. Look at vechain. Vechain, get that on there. Hey, vote. Hey, vote. Yeah. Eat some vechain, man. Vechain,
they
man.
know what's up.
Man.
So would you say
get money? They're gonna vote. Look at vechain.
See, and this appears to be just a regular vlog style, type of video. So he might have just been, riding around and happened to, see vechain. So that's dope. We're really out here in the streets, spreading awareness on Volt. Think about how many other people, see Volt and, wonder what's going on with it and, get interested to the point, where they want to possibly buy some. So shout out to everybody in the Volt Army. Vatoshi also says no one would have thought the Volt Army would vote so much. Let's retweet that out. So we got a lot of people talking about Volt. As you can see here, as always, man. Let's take a look. Volted milestones achieved in November. VoltiChain released over 500,000 wallet connections for last week. 24 exchange listings, y'all, just in November alone. Constantly building. I know it can sometimes be hard to see, which if you were just in Volt, rocking with us, you seen what happened. But for the new people in the space, it can be hard, to realize what's really going on. But vechain is building a solid foundation for when the bull market comes. Vechain is going to be one of those tokens that's in the forefront. So especially from the meme coin community. Now, remember, this is not financial advice. This is just my belief in seeing Vatoshi constantly building, constantly developing, our community getting bigger. It's all like we just got to connect the dots and we can see where things are heading. So 24 exchange listings, shooting for NASDAQ interview, strong floor of 100 million market cap, top 200 crypto in the world. November was bullish. Will December be voltish? Sheesh. So a lot taking place. How many different cryptocurrencies can you say doing the same thing right now? This is why you should be, doing your due diligence. Remember, only risk what you're willing to lose, so that way you don't put yourself in an emotional state and dollar cost average into your position, so that way if the price pulls back, you get to take advantage of that discount. Now, we're now listed on Bit Crypto Exchange, so shout out to them for having us as well. Also, Vatoshi said good morning. Let's retweet that out. Now let's take a look at the price of vechain. I wonder if my screen is super disproportionate. Okay, there we go. tripping, I don't know why, but I'm gonna just drag it over so y'all can see the chart. Okay, so right now Vote is trading at that 1551 level. If we throw a couple indicators up like our Bollinger Bands RSI, we can kind of, you know, see where the price is likely to head, which direction. So we got our lower Bollinger Band at that 1511 level, upper band at that 1562-ish level. Price is looking bullish right now. We did break above that mid Bollinger Band. Usually when we do that, that's considered a support level. So it's good to see that. And we're on a 1 hour chart right now. For those wondering, let's pull out that RSI as well, the relative strength index. Okay, we're sitting around a 54. Let's move up a time frame. So 47 on a 4 hour. And we know that 70 and above is considered overbought. 35 and below is considered oversold. So you want to try to snipe these oversold areas when the price is, you know, at a good discount. And then, you know, if you're somebody who's an active trader, you can buy low, sell high, or just continue to accumulate your position at these lower areas. So right now it's looking like it is trending upwards, but it's looking like we want to get, you know, try to retest that 16 area. But it looks like at the worst case, you know, if it does start to pull back, it might pull back. And this is on a 4 hour time frame around that 1498 level. So don't be afraid if you see that happen. That will actually be, you know, a good value right there. So we can see the price has been, if we look at the RSI, we can see we've been seeing a little resistance around this area all the way through here, you know. So if we can break above this area on this 4 hour level of 49.50, you know, if we can get up into that, I'll say maybe like, you know, right about 57-ish range, then that can be really bullish and push us all the way to a 70, which will, you know, break out of that 1600 level. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Remember, this is not financial advice. Things in the market can change things. We got interest rates hikes being basically cooled off a little bit. So, you know, that can be bullish for the overall space, but don't get too excited just yet. We still have some type of pain to possibly feel in the market as things cool off. So that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.